Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the scene and selecting what to fix. Switch to Edit mode and pick Vertex Select so you operate on points, not faces. Once done, enable X-ray or wireframe to reveal hidden verts and use box or lasso selection for precision. Make sure you remove object-level transforms with Ctrl+ if scale/rotation distorts tools, because many operations depend on applied transforms. This reduces unexpected results and ensures snapping, merging, and smoothing behave predictably. Now you clean and align vertices for a tidy topology. Run merge by distance to remove duplicates and tweak the threshold until only true overlaps merge. Next, enable snap to vertex or edge and grab vertices with G while snapping to align them precisely. This prevents tiny gaps. For straightening, use scale to 0 on the chosen axis, S, X, 0, which flattens a row of verts, then apply a small translate to place them back accurately. These steps reduce shading artifacts and fix non-manifold edges. Finish by recalculating normals and validating geometry. Use Shift+N to recalc normals and turn on face orientation to confirm consistent blue faces. Once normals are correct, use smooth or flatten and sculpt grab for organic fixes. These refine vertex placement without breaking topology. If you still see gaps or double verts, enable auto merge in the header and repeat careful selection plus merge by distance with a conservative threshold. Troubleshooting tip: when transformations behave oddly, apply scale/rotation, Ctrl+A, and repeat merging. This resolves many hidden problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.